Hello everyone, welcome to the booth of Tianjin Jinshan Packing Factory. This is Winston, and I'm glad to meet you online. Now, I'd like to introduce our third source of our main products, shopping bags, gift bags, and backpacks. As a packaging factory with more than 25 years of experience, we can make and supply all kinds of shopping bags with the material of PP nonwoven, PET nonwoven, PP woven, PVC, PE, and polyester, or any other materials you want. Now, let's have a look at this bag. This shopping bag with PP woven and OPP lamination, and there are two handles with PP woven or PP webbing. The printing can be done by heat transfer as your design. It's very strong and can be made with multi-colors, so it's also very beautiful, and it's very large for carrying and buying easier. The printing your logo as a gift is a good method to make advertisement for your company. Look at this shopping bag. The material is PET nonwoven. What's PET? It's a material which can be making plastic bottles for drinking water, so it's environment-friendly materials. As we all know, the pollution is very serious these years with the rapid development of the industries. So please buy and use more bags with environment-friendly material to protect ourselves. Okay, let's see this sign shopping bags. It's made with PVC. It's very strong and beautiful. Other special point is suitable to print any logos, which will be very obvious and shiny. With your company's logo or slogan, the publicity will be very good. Look at this bag. It's made with cotton cloth, so it's very comfortable and also environment friendly. And with two self-materials handles, it can be printed while silk screen printing. The color can be done with self-color or white, and there are also drawing bags for your choice. And we also have many kinds of backpack for your choice. This style is made by PE. It's very suitable for your use in sand beach or seaside for your journey. In one word, we are a factory, not a trading company. So, at the same price, we can do better quality, and with the same quality, we can supply the price more cheaper. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact with me. Thank you.